हमारे जीवन में सफलताओं का श्रेय जाता है हमारे द्वारा ली गई शिक्षा को। शिक्षा उच्च स्तरीय हो या प्राथमिक, सभी स्तर पर हमारे जीवन में गहरा प्रभाव छोड़ती है। लेकिन प्राथमिक शिक्षा किसी भी छात्र के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होती है, जहां किसी भी छात्र के जीवन की नींव रखी जाती है और भविष्य का फैसला होता है। अगर बात करें गाजियाबाद में मौजूद किसी ऐसे प्ले स्कूल की जहां मौजूद फैसिलिटीज सक्षम हैं किसी भी छात्र के जीवन की अच्छी नींव रखने के लिए, तो उसमें एक नाम आता है सेंट फोर्ड स्कूल।
I started this venture 4 years ago when I was searching for some new business for Ghaziabad. I had a space around there. I met Santosh Rathod ji and I asked him what best we can do out there. So I thought this is the right business where you learn and earn. So this was the basic concept why I shifted my business of IT to education also, and right away I have approximately 200 students out there. As a franchisor, I do have a lot of support from Santosh Rathod ji. When I started the school, I never knew what the school is about and how to start the school. So I got all the books and all the support staff and how to start a school, how to run a school, what hiccups do you get in the school. They're everything from the day one to at least for the first 1.5 years, they treated us like a baby. And right away, my school is running like a smooth sail. As I said, in the earn and learn model, I am already earning a good revenue from this school. And apart from that, there is a good recognition, there is a good respect in the society, which I don't think in IT business or any other business I was already getting. I was earning, but I was not getting that respect, that social recognition, which I am getting it now. So as far as the franchisee of Sanford School is concerned, I am really happy and it's really working well with me now.
Sanford is a big name in play school industry. It needs no introduction. We came to know about Sanford through newspapers, and prior to admission we came to see the facility. It was really very good, very much airy, hygienic, and the teaching staff was very good, cooperative. They take care of children on an individual level. Moreover, the concept of this school, like UK concept of education, it is also very new. Children learn very much through this concept, and yes, after 6 months of admission, my son is coming to this school for almost 6 months, and I can see the difference. He has started recognizing things. He also speaks basic English language, English words, which is very good. I really appreciate the kind of education and values this school is providing to my son.
Sanford is having 54 branches across the country now, and all the branches we follow same curriculum, same activities, even the infrastructure is same in all the branches. And people ask how different we are grooming children, with what kind of facilities, what kind of activities we have, different from other preschools. As we said, this is our UK concept preschool chain. So what is UK concept? We have adopted many things what people are using in preschools in UK. So we developed our own software, that is child-friendly software. Whatever we teach with the help of books, we use everything on the softwares also. We use touchscreen computers so that child can play and learn basically. We have developed many activities like fruit and vegetable market, farmhouse, zoo, dollhouse, and all these kind of activities help children to learn in a play method. We have developed our flashcards like this is a parrot bird. So we have flashcards for all the birds, animals, vegetable, fruit, and whatever any teacher in the classroom need to speak about the parrot is written on the back of this flashcard, so that the standardization of content is there. Like parrot, I am a parrot, I am green. So this kind of content is written on the back side of every flashcard. Similarly, we have flashcards for the different moods of the people. Like this is a happy mood. So I am happy, I smile when I am happy. So these kind of content we have developed. Similarly for the vegetable, for the fruit, everything we have flashcards. So this is the thing how the we are meeting out the expectation of the parents, groom their children, and they feel difference within a few months how the child is groomed. So this is the kind of services to the children we are providing. Now we are going. Basically, we started from the north, so majorly our branches are north. Now we are going to west and south part of the country, and we are targeting for reaching a number of 100 branches in next 1 year.